That's some of the things that I help the guys out with. Okay, guys, I just started the stream on YouTube. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to another stream. We are about to get started. We're gonna have a look at some of these charts, talk about what trades we took yesterday, and then we're just gonna build on that. We're just gonna build on what we did yesterday, okay? And then if there's some extras, then we can definitely do that. All right, but everybody's welcome. We also live on TikTok. Yeah, we're live on TikTok, we're live on YouTube, we're live everywhere. I'm just spreading the links right now, and then we in. Okay, so I see on TikTok, somebody just followed me. Nico just followed me. Nkanyiso just followed me right now. Thank you so much for the follow. Send me some likes. Okay, we've got okay, I can't see. Okay, Tommy Trucker. He just followed me right now. Users Banban. So Royalty just joined the stream. Welcome to the stream right now, guys. Welcome everybody. Let's chat Forex. Let's chat Forex. Let's talk about Forex. Let's talk about Forex right now. Hey guys, I'm in such a good mood right now. Cause hey, we up right now. We up. Let me just check if we're still in this trade. Hold on. I think it took us out of the trade. Okay, so we made a cool 500. We made a cool 500 USD, guys. Easily. We made a cool 500 USD. Right now we've got some sales running, but we're gonna talk about that. We're gonna talk about that. It's all good. Yeah, guys. So if you have any questions, just type them in the chats. All right, just type them in the chats on the on YouTube. All right. Just a quick disclaimer as well for those of you guys on my TikTok live. Okay, I am gonna switch off the comments because there's some scammers going around, busy texting the people who comment, you see. So then trying to elicit them to doing some strange things. So yeah, that's what's up. That's what's up. That's what's up. So I will shut it down. But if you guys want to comment and do all these things, you can jump over to the YouTube stream. My YouTube channel is Mabs Effects. You can just jump in on that. All right. We making money right now, guys. We are up right now. Okay, we are up. Okay, so anyways, let's just get started. Thanks for all the likes, guys. Really do appreciate it. Really do appreciate it. We really do appreciate it. Give me a second. All right. So ready to begin right now, okay? Before we begin, guys, the new trading system, the one that's currently on the street on the screen right now, okay, is on promo. Okay, so we moved it from 2,000 to 1,500 rand. Okay, if you want this system that you're seeing on the screen, it's 1,500. Okay, and that's going to be the price until the 3rd of September. Okay, so until the 3rd of September, I think it's like on Saturday or something like that. So if you need it, just send us a DM and then we'll plug you in. Okay. So, anyways, um, yeah. So we're gonna have a look at some of the trades that were given yesterday, right? And then we're gonna try look for more trades if possible, if there's a need to. All right, we are gonna look at some of the trades, and then we're also gonna speak about some important things. Okay, but let's touch base before we actually um do the charts analysis and all these things. Okay, remember, guys, um before you start trading, you need to understand. Okay, lot of people just want to jump into trading and they don't have any understanding of what's going on. Okay, so what I like to do, I first like to look at the charts. I like to look at the charts and see what's happening on the left hand side. Okay, has the market been dropping? Are we trending down? Are we trending up? Are we moving sideways? That's like very important information, especially if you're one who's looking for trades. Okay, that's very special. Hey, you got that win. We making money right now, baby. We making money right now. Somebody just said thank you for the signal on US 30. Bum, 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 bum. That's what's up. That's what I'm talking about. That's what we're trying to do, guys. That's what we want to do. I'm so pumped, guys. I'm so pumped about that. Easily made some dollars right there. Okay. Easily made some profit there. Easily made some profit. But guys, we're gonna keep doing these sessions so that those who recently got the system can really understand how it is that we go about doing things. Okay. So yeah. Anyways, yeah, you when you start before you start trading, you need to be aware of the trading environment. Are we trading up? Are we trading down? Are we trading sideways? Or whatever the case may be. You need to know what's going on. Okay. And then once you know what's going on, you need to decide on that particular day what you want to trade, like how you want to trade. Okay. So if you want to be if you are like somebody who likes to take long term trades, then you look for long term setups. If you're somebody who wants to get in and out of the market, then that's the approach that you need to take. Okay. So don't deviate from your plan, right? You need to always stick to the plan. You understand what I'm saying? So you have to that's why I was speaking about consistency. Okay. You have to be consistent with the plan, right? So that you don't get lost. You feel me? But yeah, anyways, also very important, guys. Okay, because with the trading systems, we're finding opportunities. We're finding buy opportunities. We're finding sell opportunities. So we need to be able to manage those trades. Okay. So what do I mean by manage those trades? Like when you're in profit, okay, like right now you can see there's a wick on US 30. You saw what I did in the beginning of the stream. I was shifting my stop losses, okay? Some of them got hit and closed the trades in profit, okay? So when you like manage your trade, you're minimizing the risk and then you are securing profit, okay? Because not every signal is gonna be hitting your take profit, okay? But that doesn't mean that you can't profit. Okay, cool. If you manage the trade properly, you can win almost every trade, right? But yeah, let's just jump in. Let's look at what happened on US 30. Let's just talk about it real quick um, and just recap quickly, all right? I'm not going to be live for too long, guys, but um, yeah, I'll try to share as much info as I can right now, okay? Because then today I just wanted to also look at the other systems that we have, okay? Particularly the 30-minute system. We're just going to look at one setup. We're not going to do much, right? So, anyways, yesterday, what we saw was before we actually um, made any decisions to trade, we first looked at the market. If you can remember correctly, okay, we said that we're seeing that the US 30 was in a heavily bearish movement. You see that right there. So we had like some extreme drop, okay, and then after the drop, there was a period of sideways movement, all right, which suggests to you and I that we are in a consolidation or sort of like a distribution phase of the market. So when the market does that, okay, and I hope you guys are listening to this because this is what it happens all the time, okay? When the market does that and it starts moving sideways, we have to wait for a breakout to get the next trend, okay? Because like after a big movement and the market moves sideways, the market can either move up or down. It still can like change the direction of the previous move. It still can do that. That's why we wait for the breakouts, okay? And when the breakouts happen, they will give us some very quick profits like what we saw today on the US 30, okay? So at the time when we saw this market, we said no, we're not going to open an immediate trade on US 30, but rather we will open up a pending order, okay? A sell stop, right? Which will trigger if the market breaks the low, all right, of that particular range. So that's what happened. So as you can see, the market kept on going sideways, 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 and then we did hit our entry right there. You see that right there at that level right there. That's where we actually caught our entry. Okay. And then US 30 is massive. And this was the 30-minute setup. Okay. So as you can see, we did make some pips, monster pips on this move. Okay. And if you were managing the trades, like as soon as the trade, you don't just sit on your thumbs when you got a trade running. Okay, you don't just sit on your ass. You understand what I'm saying? You have to shift the stock. You have to be logical, right? You have to be logical. Okay, so it looks better on the H4 chart right here. You can see that the market dropped, right? Had a period of consolidation, pulled back a bit, came back down very quickly, gave us an opportunity to sell as it broke the low, okay? And that's where we entered into the market, right? And on this movement alone, it made us some nice bank, okay? So if you're still in the trade, I would suggest putting the stop loss at break even and then allowing the market to move, because the pip value on US 30 is quite massive. Okay, it's quite massive. Like, even if we get another pullback, it might take you out. Okay, that's just the sad reality of the US 30. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Just keep that in mind, right? Another trade that triggered was GBP USD. Okay, GBP USD is currently active right now. Let me see if I can't open it up. Give me a second. Let me just see. GBP USD is currently active, and US 30. No, not US 30. Euro USD is going to follow after GBP USD. All right. So let's just have a look at those markets quickly. I'm gonna set the system to be on the H4 and the M30. All right. H4 to get the long-term trend, and then M30 to get the more immediate trade. Right. So let's just go ahead and go to the GBP USD. You can see GBP USD, it triggered, it broke yesterday's low, doing the similar thing to what the what do you call this one? The US 30 did. I'm looking at the H4 chart now, guys. I'm looking at the H4 chart. Let me just change the setting quickly. All right. I'm looking at the H4 chart right now. It's telling us the H4 chart is telling us to still sell to 1.14253. Okay. So if you're late on that entry, right? If you're late on that entry, you can actually jump in, and then we can put our stop loss. We're not going to put it where the H4 chart is telling us, but we can put it at the continuation line right there. Okay. So, and then we're going to use the normal TP. So what we can do is, if you're late for that entry, if you didn't put the stop loss, I mean, if you didn't put the sell stop yesterday, you can actually jump in right now, and then you can use your stop, but you're going to have to manage the trade. Okay. You're going to have to manage the trade yourself, right? So, the stop loss would actually be 1.17594. That's for GBP USD, right? The H4 setup. And then the take profit will be 1.14253, right? We can jump in like that. Let me just even put horizontals here in case I want to add positions here. Easy, easy, guys. Easy, easy, easy. Okay. And then if you feel like you're being rushed over there, right? If you feel like you're being rushed on GBP USD, let's go ahead and look at Euro USD. We actually have a pending order. We actually have a pending order on Euro USD to sell. Okay, we have a pending order on Euro USD to sell. You can see on the 30-minute chart. The reason why I'm not looking at the 30-minute chart on the Euro USD is because of the false signal that it's giving us. It's giving us an invalid setup right now, so that's why I'm not looking at it. So now I'm more interested in the H4 chart. Okay, and then on the H4 chart, our entry will be right, but then now the stop loss, because of um, the price movements. You can see it did a similar thing to what US 30, GBP, and NAS 100 were doing. You had bearish movement and then sideways movement right now. This is what we're seeing on the H4 chart. Okay, so what we can do is we can, because this the pending order hasn't triggered, right? So we're going to keep the parameters of the H4 take profit, right? And then we're going to put our entry point when the market breaks the low. Okay, and then our stop loss, we'll put it at the continuation line just to limit the risk on this particular trade. So the entry point, let me just confirm. I want to give you guys yesterday's one because that one is still valid. Let me just have a look at where it is. I'm just quickly going to my um, Telegram. Hold on, guys. I'll give you the levels just now. Can't find it now. Give me a second. Okay, on. Oh, no, no, no. I didn't post that one. How come I didn't post that one? Okay, never mind, guys. So what we can do on the Euro USD. Okay, it's a sell stop on 0.99098. I repeat, sell stop at level 0.99098. Okay, that's the point at which we'd want to be selling the Euro USD because of it breaking the low. Okay, right? And then our stop loss will be placed at 1.01285. Okay, 1.01285. That's where we'd put our stop loss for the sell stop. And then the take profit level is the one that you guys can see in the top right, okay, which is going to be 0.95947. The reason why we're not using the H4 suggested stop loss, it's the risk at that point when it triggers the stop loss, okay, that would be a very high risk to take, okay. But that's for the pending order, right? If you're a bit impatient and you want to take the trade immediately, you can do so by using the parameters on the top right hand side of the screen. But obviously, doing that would require you to also, because now you're going in without the confirmations that we need to see. So then that would mean that you have to jump in with a very low lot size type of trading, okay? That type of mentality. So that's the setup that we can look at today. GBP USD as well. Um, US 30 as well can get it. We can get a re-entry if we after a pullback. Okay, we can get a re-entry after a pullback, but we have to be very careful. You have to exercise caution, guys, when you're trading things like US 30, NAS 100. You know, you always have to be cautious. Okay, because it's possible to be correct about the move, right? But then now when you start executing the small pullbacks, those are the ones that are gonna damage you. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Just keep that in mind. Okay. So I think for now, let's just chill on those particular trades. If we look at the 30-minute system, right, it's actually giving us the similar type of setup. We actually had an entry uh, when the market opened, the US market opened. So we actually had an entry right there. So we're still in profit on this trade. If you took the trade based off of the US 30 system, I mean the 30-minute system, just shift your stop loss to the entry point and then allow the market to do what it does, okay? Because it's possible for the market to continue going down without making hectic pullbacks, okay? Because now we know we can see that the bears are in control, guys. We really can see that because you can see there's bearish their presence is felt right there. You can see that the market is being dumped right now. Okay, so then we are expecting a continuation of those moves. Okay, so let's just keep an eye on those movements, and then let's just manage that. So we got a couple of things here. Okay, we got some trades: US 30, Euro USD, GBP USD. So that's a lot on our plate right now. So I think that's what we need to run with. That's what we need to run with right now. Okay, so that's what's up. So, anyways, guys, um, I'm about to go off the stream. I didn't want to be online for too long today. Okay. But yeah, guys on YouTube, if you guys have any questions before I go, then I will just look at that right now. Okay. So if you have any questions, just type them in right there. It can be about anything, can be about what I spoke about today or any other day. Okay, just type in your questions real quick so I can see. And then I'll cut the stream shortly after that. I'll just give you guys like about 2 minutes. 2 minutes, then I jump off. Okay. Because I got other stuff to do, guys. Got other stuff to do. So yeah, we got some sells on Euro USD, right? We got an immediate sell based off of the H4 chart. We've got a future sell, which is a pending order. Sell stop with the parameters that I mentioned. We have a sell trade on GBP USD. And then we have a possible re-entry sell on the US 30, right? I think that's enough. I think that's enough. You know, we don't have to go crazy like we did yesterday when you're looking at all the charts, you know. It's not always necessary to do that, okay? Because sometimes guys, I only look at like different charts in this sequence, okay? This is where I like to start when I actually want to do my own independent trading, okay? So I have a trading list. So on my trading list, it consists of 4 trading instruments. That's trading list number 1. Okay, so Euro USD, GBP USD, NAS 100, US 30. All right. So if it so happens that when I'm doing my analysis and then I can't find trades on either of my systems, okay, then I jump in to a bigger list, which is my second trading list, which consists of US 30, NAS 100, listen carefully, the G30, which is the DAX 30, and then the UK 100, the France 40, and Eurostox 50. Okay, those indices. If I still can't find trades there, then I jump into the third trading list, which consists of the forex major pairs. Okay, because of the low spread that you get when you want to trade those particular trading instruments. Okay, so if the major pairs consist of the Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, I believe NZD USD, USD JPY, USD CHF. There's one I'm missing, and I always miss this one. USD CHF, USD CAD, USD CAD, USD CAD. How did I miss USD CAD and USD CAD? Okay. And then if I still can't find trades on my third trading list, then now that's when I start going um specific now to other maybe forex exotics, things like GBP pair, like GBP what, GBP NZD, GBP CAD, GBP AD, blah blah blah, and also Euro AUD. You know those other trading instruments. Okay, so I trade in that sequence, and usually what I do is I filter out trades using my trading system. So then if I start on the 30-minute system, I look at that one. If there's no trade there, I look at the 50-minute system. If there's nothing, I look at the breakout system. If there's nothing, then uh, I'm not trading that particular trading instrument. Or I just look for trades on the brand new trading system. Okay. So that's the process that I use. And that's what I use every single time. Every single time. Okay. But yeah, anyways, guys, let me love you and leave you. I see there's no questions on TikTok. I mean, not no, there aren't any questions on TikTok because I closed the comments, but the comment section on the YouTube stream is live. Okay, so there aren't any other questions. So, anyways, I think we can call it a wrap. I'll be alive. I'll be live and hopefully alive tomorrow evening at 5 p.m. Okay. But, anyways, take care, guys. Good luck trading. Don't forget to manage your trades, use risk management, understand your risks of trading before you jump in if you don't understand anything about trading. Okay. And then, lastly, if you want to get these trading systems, they are on promo. Okay. The brand new trading system is on promo. You can still get that, guys, for a discounted price. So, just send me a DM either on WhatsApp, TikTok, or Telegram, or Instagram. Okay. Any one of those platforms, you'll be able to reach me. But, anyways, thank you so much, guys, for joining the stream. Hopefully, you guys are learning something as we're going through the stream. And yeah, I'll holler at you guys at a later stage. Good luck. Take care. I'll let you guys later.